Kahit anong gawin natin, yaw-yaw dito, kung hindi naman matigil ito, wala rin mangyayari. Local leaders natin, kasama din minsan dyan.
May mga gagong government officials, meron din mga gago rin sa service, but not all.
Hindi lang ho ito mga otoridad natin ang pasok dyan. Pati yung mga politiko, masakit man hong sabihin, pati mga politiko natin.
Sorry to say, but hindi ho lahat ng government officials walang nagagawa, at saka itong house na to, walang na-accomplish.
Congressman na Erwin Tulfo.
Maraming salamat, Governor. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, napansin ko lang ho, bakit, ito lang ho ba yung mga regional director natin sa buong PNP?
We have the resolution tackled the Region 4A.
Kasi if we're talking of illegal gambling, Mr. Chair, I suggest that we call all of the regional directors. Kasi ang gambling po ay masyadong proliferated na sa buong bansa. Hindi lang po sa Region 3, hindi lang sa Region 4, may Region 1, may Calabarzon, lahat. Mayroong may dyan sa Cordillera hanggang sa ARMM. It's so proliferated, Mr. Chairman. Kulang ho ito. Nandito ang NBI. Nasaan bang CIDG dito? Nandito rin ba? Ang dami yung klaseng pasugalan, Mr. Chairman. Ang dami yung pasugalan, sus, Panginoon ko. Pagbabanggitin ho natin dito lahat ng kasugalan. Peryahan, bukis, STL, loting, waiting. Pati STL, ginagawang waiting. Online sabong. Kaya walang kinikita yung pagkor natin dahil kinukompetensya ng sugalan, Mr. Chair. Kahit anong gawin natin, yaw-yaw dito, kung hindi naman matigil ito, wala rin mangyayari. And this, bata pa ako, nag-iimbestiga ng Kongreso at Senado ng illegal gambling, ala naman ho nangyayari. So, we must do something about it kasi meron na ho talaga napakalalahan na ho sugalan. Problema, hindi lang ho ito mga otoridad natin ang pasok dyan. Pati yung mga politiko, masakit man hong sabihin, pati mga politiko natin, mga mga local leaders natin, kasama din minsan dyan. So, how do we stop this, Mr. Chairman? So, I would like to ask your wisdom.
Thank you so much, Congressman Erwin Tulfo. As a matter of fact, I agree with you, na talagang
Mr. Chair, may I add, I would like to put in motion to invite all the regional directors of the PNP, including the CIDG, next hearing para we can hear from them and they can explain. Kasi dito sa Luzon, ang sikat dito, weteng, loteng. Pagdating sa Mindanao, Visayas, masyaw.
Yes.
So, I don't know.
Yeah, we will do that, Congressman Erwin. What we have to discuss first is to tackle the resolution that pertains to the Region 4A. But in relation to what you're trying to implore on this committee, to invite all the different region as well, is in relation as well because we have to compare what is happening in Region 4A and what is happening to the different part of this country. And for that, we will be allowing your motion that we need to invite as well the different regions. But in so far as the resolution that I filed is concerned. So, sa atin yung comparison, kung gaano kadami sa amin, gaano kadami yung sa iba-ibang region. So, magbe-base po tayo doon. And we will set some parameters in order to limit the questions on the resolution that I filed regarding the Region 4A. Because nababahala din po yung lingkod because when I saw the data, that nakita natin that Region 4A, ngayon ko lang nalaman that out of the 5,000, 1,200 plus yung sa amin ni Congressman Acop. And I will be asking as well yung Region 4A natin because kanina na sinabi ni Congressman Erwin Tulfo that for so many years we've been discussing this problem already but nothing is happening. Dahil lagi na lamang hearing tayo ng hearing pero wala tayo nagiging resolution. But I have to remind each and every member of this committee that this committee will produce result. As a matter of fact, I read the Republic Act 9287 with regards to the rules and guidelines. Specifically, Rule 3, Section 5. Andito yung mga passion, yung increase ng penalty sa numbers games, Revision of Presidential Decree number 1602 na dito sa Republic Act 9287, itinaas na po ang penalty. Doon sa mga nagbe-bet in accordance to letter A of Section 5, nakalagay, from 30 days to 90 days, pwede yung mga tumataya, ikulong. Pag napatunayan na nagtataya kayo, at hindi lamang yon, even your car, even your houses, your land, your building being used for illegal gambling can be confiscated by the state. Hindi lamang din yun. In accordance with that section 5 of Article 3, sinasabi rin din dito, yung mga supervisor ng mga illegal numbers games, 8 years to 10 years, you can be imprisoned. Yung mga manager, yung mga operator, 10 years to 12 years. Yung mga pinanser at kapitalista, 14 to 16 years. At yung mga protector, 16 years to 20 years. And if the offender is a public official, elected or appointed, perpetual disqualification from office. And we have to warn yung ating pong mga opisyales ng PNP because they have the penalty of not only imprisonment but also criminal and administrative cases and suspension and dismissal from the office as well. So, mabigat tong batas na to, yung Republic Act 87. Ang tanong sa PNP, Napolcom, siguro kasama na rin po kayo, meron na po ba tayong naparusahan dito sa batas na to na itinaas na po natin ang penalty noong mga perpetrators ng illegal gambling? Meron na po ba tayo na ipakulong? Sagot sa atin sa PNP.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Acop, you have the floor.
there's a motion filed by the Honorable Erwin T. Tulfo to include and invite the different regional directors of the PNP. House Resolution number 1549 only limits the investigation of the proliferation of illegal gambling within Calabarzon. Now, COMSEC, do we have a quorum? If we have a quorum, Mr. Chair, I think we have to settle the motion of the Honorable Tulfo if we are going to include in our hearing insofar as House Resolution number 1549 would include the different regions of this country. So, since we have a quorum, we decide, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so you will be acting upon on the resolution or the motion that was moved by Congressman Erwin Tulfo. There's a motion to include the different regional directors in the next hearing. And is there any second motion?
Second.
There's a second motion. Any objection? Hearing none. So the motion is now approved. So COMSEC, we will be inviting all the regional directors in the next hearing for
Mr.
this
Chair,
purpose. Yes,
Mr.
Congressman
Chair,
Erwin Tulfo.
if I may just add. Kasi ho, sir, yung mga binabanggit na number 1,000, 5,000 na nahuli, yan po, sir, ang tawag sa linggo na yan, ay mga piyait. Yan yung mga binabangketa, yan yung mga hampas lupa ng mga mananaya na nahuli na nagtataya ng 5 piso, 10 piso. Meron ka na bang nalalaman o wala pang nababalita na may nahuli na administrator, operator ng illegal gambling? Wala pa, Mr. Chair. And hindi nakapagtataka. Because yung operator, yung mga management, itinatago yun. Yung hinuhuli lagi ng mga otoridad natin, yung mga nagtataya sa lupa, yung mga 10 piso, 15 pesos, 20 tong each. Pero yung mga management, yung mga leader, yung mga financier, yung mga protector, hindi nakukulong. Wala naman na i-report, Mr. Chair, di ba? Kaya tingin tuloy ng tao, moro-moro lagi itong investigasyon natin because nothing is happening for the longest time. Wala pong nakukulong. May nakulong na po ba na gobernador? May nakulong na po ba na mayor? May nakulong na ba konsehal? May nakulong na ba regional director, provincial director? Wala pa pong nakukulong, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
And that is a big challenge for the PNP who are enforcing the law.
Mr. Chair.
And at the same time, before I acknowledge recognize Congressman Gomez, just wanted to make a piece on what Congressman Erwin was saying. I think napapaikutan nga talaga tayo dito. And the problem is not only the enforcement of the